This will be good.
Fire away. Start asking me some questions. Hi, my name is Scott Jackson, CEO of Alta Vista Technology.
Hi, my name is David Valade, and I'm the CTO.
Hi, I'm Holly Murray. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Alta Vista Technology.
Typically, when we're working with customers, we find that there's lots of manual processes that are done outside of the accounting system. It's tedious, it's double entry, it's a lot of extra work.
They're either lacking in time, lacking in money, lacking in good people to be more efficient, to better use technology, to leverage all of their great assets.
But they don't have that internal expertise.
It affects a lot. I mean, one of the main things, it's just your time to close. If you're not getting that data early and in the system, they're waiting much farther into the month.
They can't take advantage of new technologies, and it even affects their hiring.
So you compromise on your accuracy. You compromise on just the efficiency of what you do things. So things slip.
Alta Vista Technology sells, implements, and supports ERP and accounting systems such as Sage Intacct and Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. One of the things that makes us different than other companies is that we are staffed fully by recovering accountants. They were in your shoes, they did your job so they can help more companies the way they wanted to be helped when they were in the industry.
Our objective is to make your entire process quicker. So take out unnecessary steps, automate what we can, and really drive you to use the software most efficiently.
We make different inefficiencies disappear. We make scarce resources show up where they weren't there before. We make things that are a weakness into a strength.
Organizations that work with us save time and money. They reduce manual entry, reduce double entry. They don't have to add as many people to do the same functions that they did before. We let the technology do the work for them, and people that work with us, in the end, make more money and have happier lives. If the problems we talked about today are the problems you're facing,
please give us a call. We're here to help.
You'll be shocked at how quickly we get back to you.
Cut one more time.